Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Asmita.
And I am Bhavi.
Diwali is the 5-day festival of light celebrated by millions across the world. Diwali is a festival of new beginnings and the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. The exact date changes each year and are determined by the position of the moon. But this year we will celebrate it on Monday, October 24.
The word Diwali or Deepavali, it's sometimes called as, means rose of light in ancient language in India called Sanskrit. During this festival, people decorate their homes with lights and oil lamps called diyas. Join us today as we show you some fun and easy dessert which is called Laddu, which you can make from comfort of your home. So let's start.
The ingredients you will need are clarified butter, which is also known as ghee in Indian language. We will be using some chickpea flour, some sugar, and we're not using nuts today. So I've already heated my pan. So first time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some ghee or clarified butter. I'm measuring it from my heart, so I'm just going to add. And this dessert requires a lot of butter, so it tastes really good, and it's really good especially during winters. And you make sure that you always put the flame on low when you're adding it, and then you can increase it a little bit so it gets warm up.
This is a fun activity for the children, especially under adult supervision, because we are using hot pan and ingredients.
Do you want to stir it now? I'll hold your hand.
And we have already roasted the chickpea flour a bit for some time prior to this video, just to make sure that we are giving you a quick recipe.
Good job! There you go. You want to do it yourself? I'm going to hold it. I'm just going to bring a little bit closer to you. Yeah, do it.
Start it.
Well done, Naya. There you go. I'll do it the rest.
Alright. Manaya, do you know, when I was a kid back in India, my mom used to cook this every time. I really tried helping her, but not very successful. But yeah, it was always fun to cook a lot of fruits, a lot of desserts and a lot of other Indian dishes.
And when I was a child, I used to steal all the dessert before we used to worship the goddess Lakshmi, which we worship on Diwali. And I used to eat it, and my mom used to say it's not good activity, but I couldn't control myself because it's so sweet and so tasty that I was.
Do you want to steal something?
Naya, can you smell a little aroma of something that is coming out of this dessert? Can you smell something?
Popcorn.
It's popcorn.
It's popcorn?
I can smell popcorn.
You can smell popcorn.
It smells a little bit
good.
like popcorn, but not actually popcorn. It's going to be more tastier than that. Do you want to stir it a little bit? Go. Come on. I'll hold it for you so you can do it, and it's not hot that much.
Don't worry.
Wow. There you go. Are you excited to eat it? Yeah. So you see, everything is coming kind of together and it's getting thicker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some sugar.
Yep.
Naya, do you wanna add some sugar in this one?
Come on.
Okay.
Add sugar.
Help Bhavi to add sugar in there. Do you wanna
Hold it.
Do you wanna hold it and add sugar?
Hold.
Wow.
Yeah.
So now we've mixed all the ingredients together, and it's slowly coming together as well. It looks like it's done. So you'll get to know when it gets more thickened and starts like this consistency. When it have this consistency, that means it's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some ghee or oil on a flattened space, and then we're gonna just take this one out so it is ready to be spread out and cools down a little bit. And then we can make it in the laddu form, which is basically the round balls. So Bhavi has already basted this chopping board, and now I'm gonna take it out. Now the dessert is all set. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some small batter in our hands, and we're gonna roll it. Now, are you liking it already? You don't wanna roll it? Gonna roll it, hold it in your hands and do like what I am doing. Just put it in your hand and make a good circle.